Greetings everyone, welcome back to Camille on Blockchain. I hope you have enjoyed Watch2Earn event since last month. This is a new video for Watch2Earn Phase 3, so don't forget to participate and earn USDT and Incurs from our DAO community. Today, we are diving deep into the world of DAOs, and we've got a comprehensive guide for all the starters out there. We'll be exploring the various stage of a DAO development using insights from Ink Finance DAO Guide. So, buckle up and let's get started. Similar to a tree, a DAO can evolve through stages, starting from a small seed and growing into a fully developed tree. Ink Finance equips any DAO with tools to evolve. Each DAO's journey is unique and has its own individualized development path. Ink allows a DAO to bootstrap from ground zero and grow its way into a fully developed on-chain organization. Here are some general stages one can consider. Let's explore the initial stage 0, where DAOs define their members. From creators to utility buyers, each plays a crucial role in the DAO ecosystem. There are a few roles you need to consider when you start a DAO. Creators, the founders and leading members. Believers, those motivated by DAO's purpose and who are primarily interested in status and rewards. Early contributors, those who are doing work for pre-token equity, focusing on the potential financial upside and building their resume. Investors, those buying equity at primary sale for both the potential upside and supporting the DAO core mission. Mainstream contributors, those doing work for liquid native tokens, stablecoins, fiat returns. Management, those who earn token-based rewards for recruiting, managing, and evaluating contributors for the DAO. Utility buyers, those who are buying tokens to access products and services during the late stage of the DAOs. Now, moving to the stage 1, seed, the idea stage. This is where the DAO lays its foundation. Leadership, purpose, and a compelling name set the stage. But here is the catch. The DAO's purpose should be defined not just by its creators, but by its members and supporters. As the DAO progresses, it enters stage 2, planting, foundation and roadmap. Founding members collaboratively draft a roadmap, focusing on how the DAO will operate and what value it will create for its members. This is the groundwork for attracting like-minded individuals to join the DAO. Sprouting into stage 3, early contributors. What are the most common and repeatable tasks early members can do to help your DAO? Once those tasks are identified, propose rewards for those specific actions. Rewards can include special status achievement such as NFTs, a whitelist membership for future NFT minting, and token airdrops, or option to buy future tokens at an exceptionally low price. Entering seedling stage 4, the DAO introduces its main token through a token raise, giveaway, or sale. Governance rights start shifting from creators to the community, and the DAO begins a blend of work to join and buy to join models. In sapling stage 5, the focus turned to setting up the DAO's treasury with diverse assets including its native token, a minted primary NFTs, major coins, stablecoins, token from related DAOs, and fiat. Partnerships with liquidity providers and lenders are established for financial liquidity, ensuring the DAO has necessary resource for contributor compensation. As the DAO grows into a young tree in stage 6, it concentrates on building a development program. It includes payroll, grants, project-based hiring, boundary program, and programmatic incentives. This involves recruiting contributors, implementing compensation models, and automating rule-based compensation, including events like giveaway and airdrops. Deepening roots in stage 7, the DAO focuses on sustainable revenue models. This includes membership dues, secondary royalties, service reviews, and licensing of DAO-owned intellectual property. Finally, in the mature tree stage 8, the DAO achieves full decentralization. Governance, operation, and financial layers are separated, with token possibly split into a governance token and a financial utility token. And there you have it. The stage of a DAO's evolution, from a seed of an idea to fully matured, decentralized entity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content, and we will send out rewards. For details, please check Ink Finance's Twitter. Thank you for joining us today at Camille on Blockchain. And until next time, happy DAO building!